My phone! Casey, don't sit that close. It's blue glass. Casey, get out of here.
Oh my gosh!
That was incredible!
Oh my
What the heck?
How did he get out of there?
What just happened? Open the door.
How did he get out of there?
What just happened?
How did he get out of there? It just blew through the bottom.
It blew through the bottom? It blew through the bottom! Don't get me on camera, retard!
Did you get it on camera?